How to unban Call of Duty mobile account. Welcome to our video tutorial. We know how frustrating it can be to have your Call of Duty mobile account banned. But don't worry, we're here to help you get back in the game. Start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL www.activision.com/support. This is the official Activision Support website. Remember, always use official channels for support to avoid scams or phishing attempts. Once the website loads, look for the Support Options button. This button is usually located at the bottom of the page. By clicking it, you'll head into the Support section. In the Support section, find the game, Call of Duty Mobile. It's important to select the correct game to ensure you receive the right assistance. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed to the next step. On the next page, you'll find a list of common issues. But since we're dealing with an account ban, you'll need to scroll down and click on Security and Enforcement. This will lead you to a page dedicated to account and ban-related issues. Once you're on the account and ban page, look for the option that says, My account was permanently banned. Clicking on this will lead you to a page specifically designed to help gamers like you who have faced a ban. Here, you'll find an overview on account bans and possible reasons why you were banned. This is important to understand so you can avoid the same mistake in the future. But let's focus on getting your account back for now. Scroll down until you see the Submit a Ticket button. This is what you need to click to start the process of getting your account unbanned. Make sure to enter everything accurately. Any incorrect information could delay the unban process. After you've filled out all the information, you'll need to explain why your account should be unbanned. Make sure to be honest and clear. Banned accounts can only be restored if the ban was a mistake, so admitting to any wrongdoings will not work in your favor. Finally, click the Submit button. Your appeal has now been lodged and the Activision team will review your case. Please be patient, as it may take some time for them to get back to you.